Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nabila Putri Ashifa, and for this videos, I would like to give you guys some uh, it is can be called tips and tricks, maybe, and or videos tutorial about how to get measure of central tendency and measure of variability. Okay, for the very first steps is you should uh you should make a table. You should make a table, and for this videos I already have a data here for determine the measure of central tendency and variability. Okay, yep, I already have a table. And then for the next steps, because my data is not or is it not sorted, uh, my data is not sorted, and the next steps is we should sort the data by click home, then click sort and filter, and then uh, sort smallest to largest. Sort smallest to largest. Yep, tada! This is the result of my data already sort to smallest to largest. Okay, okay, for the next steps is to make this data moved to score. Okay, to make the data move to score or to fill the table, the score table. The easy ways or the quick formulas to fill the score. Yeah, is click rows A, okay, rows A, and then click data, okay, and advanced, click OK, click copy to another location, and then copy to, you can copy to the blank, the blank columns, this in here, for example, and then don't forget to cross check the unique records only. Click OK. All right. This is the simple I called a simple data, the summary of the data. And yep, for 54, it is double and we can tell it 1. Okay. And then moved to this table to score. Uh, the ways to move this data to the score is click copy, and then click paste. Okay, the data already, what is it? Already moved to the score to the table, and then for the next steps is determine the frequency. To determine the frequency, we of course uh, what is it? We of course can use the easy ways or the simple ways or the quick formulas by equals countif, using countif, and then click rows A, rows A, and then add semicolon. If your laptop use comma and this comma, so you add comma, and in my laptop is semicolon, and I add semicolon, and add the score, the first score. Remember the first score, okay? Yep. And then don't forget to add, what is it, kurung tutup in bahasa, or what is it, bracket, yeah, bracket, closing bracket, and enter. Yep, the frequency is 2. Can we see the count? 2. It is similar uh, in, in this, in here. And then just drag. Yep. Automatically fill the frequency. Okay, but the next steps is X times F, or X dikali F in bahasa. So we use quick formulas, yeah, by using equal, and then click score, top score, top score, yeah, first score, and then click star, or bintang, ya, in bahasa is bintang, and then click frequency and enter. Yep, this is the result, and just drag it. Yeah. And the next is X min mean. For determine the X min mean, we should determine mean first. Mean. There are. Mean is the part of central tendency, like mean, median, and mode. So the first, we we find the mean with the quick, or with the fast formulas, equal average, and then click rows A, yeah, rows A, the data, or in bahasa the keseluruhan data, ya, then close, enter. Okay, here the result of mean. Go back to X min mean, click equal X score, top score, and mean, yeah, and enter. Okay, this is the mean. So try to drag. It is not the result of the X min mean. So we should add a dollar between F, dollar, okay, dollar, and enter. So let's see, what is the result? Yup, it is the result of X min mean. Yeah. So the next is X min mean a square, or x kurangi min kuadrat, ya, dalam bahasa, in bahasa, ya. So don't forget to use easy formulas, or use easy ways, or use what is it, fast formulas, yeah. Equals X min mean star X min mean, and then enter. Yep, this is the result, and just drag, yeah, This is the result. And then for the next is f times x min means square, or in bahasa f dikali x min min kuadrat, dikurangi min kuadrat, I mean. Yep, equal f for frequency, top frequency, the first frequency of the score, and then star is for times, yeah, the symbol of times, and then the formulas of times, and then x min min quadrat, x min min square, I mean x min square, and then enter. Yep, this is the result. Okay, so the next steps is determine the sum. For determine the sum, we should what is it? Find the symbol of sigma. Sorry, close. Nah, for determine the sum, we also can use the fast formula, or the quick formula here, by using equal and sum, or in bahasa sama dengan sum and the numbers 1, 2 to the data of frequency, because we determine the frequency, we find the sum of frequency. So close and enter. Yep, this is the sum of the frequency, or the n, or in bahasa we called jumlah data yang ada for t. So let's see. Yep, the result is right. Hasilnya benar, ya. So the next is the sum of x times f with the same ways. Sum, and then enter. Well, sum, enter. Sum, enter. Sum, and then enter. Okay, it is the result of the sum in every what is it, in every tabel, in every formulas, yeah. Okay, for the next is we determine the mean, median, mode, and the what is it, variability, like range, variance, and then standard differentiation, and quartile and interquartile. Okay, we already get the result of the mean. So we just continue to determine the median and the mode. Median and then mode. Okay, what is median? What is median? Median is the middle numbers of the data. So for the determine the middle numbers of the data, or the median, we also can use a quick formulas, or rumus cepatnya, gitu ya, in bahasa. Equal median, and then click rows A, the data, close, enter. Yep, this is the median of the data. And then mode. mode is the most frequently in a data or in bahasa itu adalah angka yang sering muncul ya. So of course we used quick formulas, fast formulas ya. Mode, then click browse A. Yep, this is the mode of this data. Okay. Okay, for the next is what is it? Determine the measure of variability, such as range, variance, standard differentiation, or we call it SDTV, and then quartile, and then interquartile. Okay, for the range, of course, it is very easy, yeah, if we use was it a quick formulas used or not used uh, the quick formulas because the range is the result of the highest score 96 mean or dikurangi 54. Okay, but we use quick formulas, yeah, to easier equal highest score 96 mean the lowest score 54, then enter. Yep, this is the result of the range. And then for determine the variance, it's easy to find, yeah. If we if we use a quick formula, if we follows the easiest steps, click A, and then click sum of f times x mean square. Sum here, and then click what is it? Divided, yeah, dibagi or per. Ya, slice. Bagi sum of frequency. Sum of frequency. Or we called n, or in bahasa we called jumlah data ya. And then don't forget to add this opening bracket, and then mean one, close. Yep, this is the variance. And the next is determine the standard differentiation by equal using SQRT, and and add variance. Enter. This is the standard differentiation, and the next is quartile. Quartile is divided into the three quartile. Quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3. In order to determine the interquartile. So quartile 1. Oops. Quartile 2. Quartile 3. Okay. Quartile 1. To determine the quartile 1, we can just quick formulas or rumus cepatnya ya in bahasa. Quartile, and then click rows A, ya, semicolon 1. Why I add 1? Because I want to find quartile 1, so I add 1. Enter. Okay, this is the result of quartile, and the same ways quartile, then click rows A, semicolon, and 2. I want to find a quartile 2, so I add 2. Yep, quartile, rows A, and then click add 3. Yep, this is the quartile 3, 84. And next is interquartile. Interquartile. Quartile. Interquartile is what is it? Quartile 3 means quartile 1. Like range, yeah. Highest score mean lowest score, and this is highest quartile mean lowest quartile. So yeah, quartile 3 mean quartile 1. Enter. 18 as interquartile. Okay, for the next tutorial, I would like to give you some tutorial how to draw the polygon or the charts. Yeah. So for the first is plug the score and frequency. Oh my God, plug the score and frequency. And then recommended chart. Oh, insert recommended chart. Oh my God. And click the most recommended and click OK. Ta-da! This is the polygon. So title is polygon. And yep, it is easy, right? To what is it? To determine how to get the measure of central tendency and variability, and to draw the polygon to add the chart. So that's all from me. Yeah. I hope my tips and my tips and tricks or my tutorials can help you to determine the measure of central tendency and the measure of variability quickly by using quick or fast formula. And yep, I think that's all from me, and bye. See you on the next videos.